The property animation framework in Android is powerful and flexible. We can use it to animate any Java property of an object. So why did the Android team create the Transitions framework, yet another framework for animation? How do we use transitions? Let's say we want to show the lyrics of a track this way when the white panel is tapped. If we were to use the property animation, how would we implement it? For each of the views here, we need to analyze what properties are involved, figure out their start and end values, and create animators accordingly. We would need to do that for 5 animators and coordinate them using a few animator sets. This sounds like quite a bit of grunt work. We should work smart, not hard. Wouldn't it be great if we could just define the start and end snapshots of the entire screen and then let the system figure out all the details? That's exactly what the transition framework is designed to do. Starting from Android 4.4, we can use layout XML files or Java code to define these snapshots, also called scenes. We can customize the animation using a new class called Transition. The framework will take care of the grunt work of creating and configuring animators for each view. This sounds a lot easier, doesn't it? Let's look at the code.